welcome back. My name's Megan. I'm so glad to have you here with me today. We are on our way to Pine Flat Dam. We're going to do some fishing. Our family and then Larry and Jessica and their family as well. So we're going to go see what we can catch. I'm mainly going to go for trout because I don't really know much about any other fish other than trout. I've never had any luck fishing other than at Mammoth. Mammoth has been the only place that I've been able to catch anything out on the lake in a boat. So I don't really know how to fish without my dad and my uncle Dan leading the boat and telling me what to do to catch those fish. So we're gonna see what it's gonna be like, and hopefully I'll catch something, fingers crossed. Yeah, catch you out there. Look at that view. That is so beautiful. We have clear skies, nice and blue. All these hills, they're dry right now, but I know they're gonna get green probably sometime in fall, early winter. It's gonna be so nice up here during those cold months. So beautiful. This is gonna be Jake's very first time at Pine Flat. Jake, how are you feeling about that?
Excited. I'm gonna catch what I want to catch.
So he's super excited. I used to go to Pine Flat here and there when my grandpa was alive. My brother and I both remember checking it out during those times. I think my grandpa liked to go to Pine Flat. And then I haven't been in years, and so it's gonna be really exciting to go somewhere that's newish, that we haven't gone to often. So we're really excited. I love traveling through the hills. I think it's so beautiful. I've always loved traveling through the hills. On our way to the coast, we get to see a lot of hills, and just always loved it. I love it when it's dry. I love it when it's green. I really love it, and it makes sense because I found out that Bowman, which is my maiden name, means hill people. So I kind of take after my heritage, I guess. I love it. I love living in the hills now, and I still enjoy the drives. I mean, I'd always be down just to take a drive and look at the scenery. I love going to the sequoias and checking out the trees and checking out those hills, those mountains. So, yeah. So we're gonna go head out to this area in between Pine Flat and Avocado Lake. It's the Kings River. It's got a flat area for kids to play, shaded. We'll get some barbecue set up. We'll all eat, and so that way we'll be in better moods and less exhausted from all this heat. Get some carbs in us, and yeah, we'll go from there. So we're gonna go ahead and try out Winton Park since we have the kids. Be a nice area for them to play. There's picnic tables and it's more structured. I think if it was just Jake and I, or Jake and myself and our son Jacob, I think that we would try things that are a little bit more rugged, but we have the little ones, and so we want to make sure they have a good time as well. FYI, if you're ever gonna try out Winton Park, they only take cash. They don't have Wi-Fi to run a credit card machine. So bring cash with you. We are on our way over to an ATM right now to pull out said cash. And so we can pay the $5 fee, which is a really reasonable price for the park. And then we will set up, eat some food, and fish from there. All right, so we are here inside Winton Park. He had said, the guy that took our money, had said that they stock once a week. There is no size limit for trout. And Yeah, he said early morning, late afternoon, best times to fish over here. We are mid-afternoon. Maybe we won't see some hitting until around 6, 5, around there. They close around 10 p.m. Well, they close at 10 p.m. And so it'll be dark by then. So yeah, let's see what we can catch. All right, we made it. Larry's already fallen once. That's how we know we're here. We're comfortable. Larry's already taken the fall. We got Wiley out there playing in the water. We found a really good spot here. A place for the kids to play in the water. This water is ice cold. I got in there a little bit and yeah, it's freezing. It hurts. Now it is super official because Jessica just took a fall and this is exactly where she's landed. They are definitely meant for each other.
We're going fishing today, and I'm just trying to get a fish right now, but we're at the mountains fishing. And, like, look at mine. It's so cool. You got fish? I'm waiting for a fish. Keep it that way.
Dang tree. I know where it's going. Pushing it to the outside too.
Hey Jessica, you gonna try out some fishing today?
I don't know, we'll see.
We've just been enjoying the water really. It's been kind of a hot day, so.
You should show them the evil, what's that called? Tree bark that's sticking up.
Where's that at?
The one that keeps getting all of the fishing wire.
Oh yeah. Larry just did us dirty right now. He was ringing the bell. We thought Jake caught a fish. This evil tree out here. Right there. That evil tree. our lines kept getting stuck on it. We've lost 2 rigs. So that's why Jake's out here in the water, really getting into it.
I think something took my worm. Because it went down, it was heavy, but then it got off. I didn't have the worm. And it was floating the whole way, it went under, and then it felt heavy, but then it got loose. So it got light. We're gonna put it on like we shouldn't. Bunch it up. And back out.
For real? He threw that far?
He's being smart.
No, that was Jessica. Jessica's trying to act like Wiley over here throwing that far. Jessica's throwing rocks at me.
Where'd it go? Using the bobber in the river to move the bobber down instead of going down there and casting.
So what he's saying is that the bobber's what's carrying the line down there. The river's taking the bobber's taking the hook, and it's taking it down there as opposed to
I'm gonna get stuck. That line in the grass.
as he's about to get stuck. As opposed to casting your line out and then letting the river take your line where your line's like dragging. So the bobber helps it keep it up and takes it down the river. I can see his bobber down there. I don't think he's gonna get stuck. He was afraid he was gonna get stuck because he was over there by some trees. But it looks good.
No, I see.
Jessica, Harlan, and John are out there fishing. So we got Jessica and Harlan, and then we got John right there, and they're all fishing. Jake's over here, same spot, giving this area a try.
Got a new rod and I got some new line. Got a boat, it's just about time to head on out to my favorite spot. It's just about fishing time. Bee bye, Vicky bye, Vicky bye, oh Vicky bye, Vicky bye, Vicky boo. Bee bye, Vicky bye, Vicky bye, oh Vicky bye, Vicky bye, Vicky boo. Got to the creek and gathered up my gear, found a spot and I cast out a line. Hoping to catch a big mess of fish is just about supper time. First thing you know, my pole began to bend. Got my
This guy at the store gave us some cherry plums. He's really nice. We got them for free, and they taste amazing. So it's my first time having a cherry plum. So good. We're taking off right now. My lips are chapped. I got really sunburned. We didn't catch any fish, but it was a good time. It was a relaxing time. We might try to come out again tomorrow and get a better spot. But here's the last view of everything. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Catch you guys on the next one.